Today, I will discuss one of the most important yet a very simple topic of geography, that is on land and sea breezes. Okay, so what are land breeze and what are sea breezes? So land breeze basically occurs during the night and sea breeze basically occurs during the day. Okay, so here you can see in this picture that this is the sea. Okay, this is the sea, this is the land, and this is the mainly towards the atmosphere, and this is the sky. Okay, so during the day what happens, we all know that during the day land gets heated very much in a faster, and so the warm air rises above. So what happens during the during this process, as warm air rises above, since it is lighter in in nature, the cold air from the sea moves towards the land and takes the place of those air which has gone above, which has risen above. Okay, so this is known as the sea breeze. Okay, when land gets heated up, and when warm air rises from the land surface, then the breeze from the cool breeze from the sea takes place of those breeze in the land, on the land, and this is known as the sea breeze. Same thing that happens in the as in place of the in place of the land breeze during the night. Okay, so this is during the day it is known as a sea breeze, when breezes are follows from the blows from the sea to the land, and during the night what happens, the breeze flows from the land to the sea. How it happens? During the night, we all know that during the daytime, since land gets heated very faster, and compared to the sea, during the night what happens, it also loses its heat and becomes cold when compared to the sea. So what happens during the night? The warm air from the sea rises up. Okay, and in order to take this place of the risen air, the cool breeze from the land flows down to the sea. Okay, so this is known as the land breeze. So this is simply the opposite of the sea breeze. Okay, and I guess it is very much simple to understand. Okay, so you can take down notes from the from my explanation as well. You can write from my explanation as well. I have explained it in this manner, that during the day the land gets heated up much faster than the sea. Warm air rises up, forming the region of the local low pressure. So when warm air rises up, the region is formed. The region forms a low pressure area. The sea remains comparatively cooler with a higher pressure. So the sea breeze flows from the sea to the land. Since we have mentioned it earlier as well in my earlier lectures, that wind moves from high pressure to the low pressure area. So its speed or the strength of the wind is approximately from 5 to 20 miles per hour, and it is generally stronger than in the tropical and the temperate regions. Okay, it is very important to remember. It is very important to mention over here that these sea breeze is much more stronger in the tropical as well as the temperate region. So its influences does not normally exceeds 15 miles from the coast. Okay, it mainly influences within the 15 miles from the coast. It is most deeply felt when one stands facing the sea in the coastal resort. So we can feel the sea breeze during the day if we stand on the sea beach during the daytime. Okay, so at night what happens? At night the reverse takes place, as I have explained it earlier. As the land cools down much faster than the sea, the cold and the heavy air produces a region of local high pressure in the sea. On the sea conserves its heat and remains quite warm. Its pressure is comparatively low during the night. A land breeze thus blows out from the land to the sea. So this opportunity is often taken by the fishermen to go for the sail out in the sea for catching fishes. So what happens during the night? They sail out as the breeze is towards the sea, and they fish all through the night and come back towards in the coast the next morning. Thank you.